Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. And in this video, it's Amazon yarn haul. Well, not much of a haul. But I didn't pay anything for this. This is free. I didn't pay anything for it because if you've seen the video how I earned Amazon gift card money, that's what I used to pay this. I had earned Amazon gift money, probably mainly through scanning receipts through receipt apps, and maybe some, no, I think it was mostly receipt apps this time around. Sometimes some health apps work out too. But anyway, I'll leave a link to that video. You can check that out. But I think we are going to show what I got. We're going to move from my normal right chair. We're going to move to where I normally do my tutorials. So you need a close-up to look to see what I got. Alright, this is what I got. Bert and Elmo. This is the Lion Brand One Hat Wonder Sesame Street yarn. So again, I got Elmo and Big Bird. So here we'll start out with Elmo. So obviously we got the little head that's here. So each little Elmo, probably all of them, are 2.5 ounce balls, 70 grams, or 900, or not 900, 95 yards, or 85 meters. We are machine wash gentle cycle. Lay flat to dry. It's a size 4 weight yarn. Of course, the color is Elmo. So you see a closer look, so he is black, white, and red. That's Elmo. So Big Bird probably is got the same specs, except you are, obviously it looks orange. There's some orange, yellow, and white. Figure out why there's orange in here. I guess there's orange to match the little mouth. So these are One Hat Wonders. I think they usually do come. Oh, free pattern inside. Let's see. I think the last time I remembered. Oh, so just so you know, here each head. Look at how it's attached. Okay, we can take. No. Oh yeah. So each head, I guess you attach it with the string. No, I think I've gotten in the past. I've gotten. This is Cookie Monster. So I think what I did to attach this hat, I think not only did I use the string that came with it, I think I also sewed in some of the yarn. I don't know if you can see. I think I also used some of the yarn to attach it because I want to make sure this head's attached. So, which is probably why I made a scarf to go with. There was a little bit left, and I made Cookie Monster scarf, but I am getting ahead of myself to which pattern I had used, but we will get back to that in a minute. We were going to talk about that there is a pattern on the inside. If I remember the pattern on the inside of the label, let's see, yeah, it's a knit pattern, so if you are a crocheter and don't knit, then this isn't going to do any good. But there might be a crochet pattern on the website, and if there is one, I will see if I can find it. Or you can use the crochet pattern I used for Cookie Monster. This is my granny square hat. So I made a granny square. I did my granny square hat pattern with it, and obviously there was enough to make the hat, and I had a little bit left over to make a little cowl so the head doesn't flop. So yeah, and I think that is going to be going forward. My plan is that I'm going to do the granny square hat for also Big Bird and Elmo. And I might actually start a Sesame Street collection using my granny square hat. A little cowl. And I just improvised a little cowl. So yeah, it does feel, actually it feels feels very soft. And I guess I know some people make little blanket, you know, like cuddly blankets for like kids and that. You know, you could make it into like a granny square blanket and attach the head, but the nun is saying that the little one can't get all cuddly with the hat, and when they're done cuddling with it, they can actually wear it as a hat. So yeah, you can wear it as a hat, or you can cuddle with it, cuddle with the hat. So I'm not sure in the future if I'm going to give these to grandkids or if I'm just going to keep them or give them away. I'm probably not just going to keep them. I'll probably end up giving them away to grandkids. So, all right, stay tuned for like any of my future videos to see how Big Bird and Elmo turn out. Hopefully similar to Cookie Monster. So, if you did like this video, please give a like. Want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.